Power quality analysis is a staple troubleshooting method for assessing the proper functioning of an electrical installation. The more complex the installation, the higher is the likelihood of problems. Voltage sags and swells, high inrush currents, harmonics, and unbalance are just some of the issues causing problems in installations. Though, keep in mind that the initial analysis doesn't need to be especially thorough. Even a few basic power quality measurements are often sufficient to identify any issues and should therefore be performed before using a dedicated power quality analyzer. MD9273 fits the bill perfectly. It is easy to use, and being small enough to fit in any electrician's pocket is always at hand when the need arises. On top of that, it comes with test leads with probes and crocodile clips that make taking power quality measurements on even large distribution boards easy and safe. And as always, wear appropriate protection before connecting to an energized installation.